Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sean T and my partner is TayKhinFung. And now we are going to present the assignment of Fundamental of Computer Network. So let's start with the introduction. First, we employ a total of 6 subnets in our network architecture, with each subnet denoting a network. There are 4 locations, each is location A, B, C, and D. Location A is comprised of 3 departments of each floor, and each department has 3 computers and 1 switch. As for the other 3 locations, B, C, and D, each of them consists of 3 computers and 1 switch. There are 3 tables, which is growth calculation table, subnet table, and addressing table. The growth calculation table shows the 20% growth of all areas, since it is the requirement of the question. And now this picture shows our network design. Next, for the subnet table, it shows all the IP address that needed for the topology, and we calculate from the biggest host to the smallest. The subnet address that we're using is 172.16.0.0, and the prefix that we get is 19. After that, we -1 to get the broadcast address, and then -1 again to get last usable address. And the last table is addressing table. As we can see, the router has several interfaces which has their own IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. And the switches also has their own VLAN and their respective IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. These switches also connected to several PCs, and each of them has their own IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. And that's all for my part, and I will now pass it to my teammate TayKhinFung.
My name is TayKhinFung from DFT Group 4. So today I will going to present our network design. The question requests have 4 locations. There is location A, location B, location C, and location D. In the location A have 3 floors. The ground floor is marketing department, the first floor is admin department, the second floor is management department. In the location B, they have the research and develop department. The location C have manufacturing plant. The location D have living quarter. So each department have 3 PC connect to 1 switch. All the switches will connect to 1 router. At here we can see there are 2 different cables using in location C and location D. This is because location C is located between the location A 1 km. So we need to use the fiber cable to connect it. And the location D is located between the location C 100 meter. Okay, now I will going to explain implementation of the network by using the simple PTU. So let's say I choose the PTU at the second floor management department PC1, and then I choose the location C PC14. Then I change the mode to the simulation and click the start. So can see the message from PC1 will send to the switch of the management department. Then the message will send to the router. Then the router will pass the message to the switch of location C. Then the switch of location C will assign the message to PC14. After that, the message from PC14 will go back to the switch. and back to the router. And then back to the switch of the location A management department. Then the message will assign back to the PC1. So on here, we can see the implementation of the network is worked successfully. So now I delete first, close, and back to the real time. Okay, now I will show the PAN connectivity of the network. Okay, let's say we choose the ground floor marketing department PC7 and going to the desktop command, then we try to pin to the location B, research and develop department PC10. The IP is 172.16.127.253. Press enter. Okay, at here we can see is pinned successfully. Now we try to pin another PC. Let's say PC5 in the first floor. Choose the desktop and the command. Now we try to pin the location D, PC16. The IP is 172.16.31 and 253. Enter. Okay, we can see it also pinned successfully. So therefore is what we do successfully in network design. So I will stop present here. Thank you.
Bye bye.